Hello, good morning dear students. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. So today we will discuss the guest paper of Internet Technology for BCA 6th semester. This guest paper is prepared by Engineer Arshid, and before discussing this guest paper, once again I request all of you kindly subscribe this channel. So we have question is, what is the purpose of canvas element in HTML5? Second question, describe the use of section and article elements in HTML5. Explain the difference between header and footer elements in HTML5 and what are the data attributes in HTML5 and how they are used. Provide an example. Then we have, how does the video element work in HTML5? Mention the attributes used for the video element. What are the new form input types introduced in HTML5? List at least 5. Explain the purpose of figure and figure caption element in HTML5. Then we have, what is web storage in HTML5 and what are its types? Explain the difference between them. उसके बाद है then we have, how does the progress element work in HTML5? Provide an example of its usage. What is the nav element used for the HTML5? How does it improve accessibility? Then उसके बाद है JavaScript questions. What are the different types, data types supported by JavaScript? Provide examples for each. Explain the concept of hosting in JavaScript with an example. What is the difference between let, const and var in JavaScript? So इसमें ये महत्वपूर्ण questions हैं. Coming to one more part. Describe the concept of closures in JavaScript. Provide an example. How does event delegation work in JavaScript? Why is it useful? Then उसके बाद है, what is the difference between synchronous and asynchronous programming in JavaScript? उसके बाद अगर हम देखेंगे, explain how promises work in JavaScript. Provide an example. What is the purpose of async and await keywords in JavaScript? Give an example. उसके बाद महत्वपूर्ण क्वेश्चन है, डिस्क्राइब द डॉक्यूमेंट ऑब्जेक्ट मॉडल DOM in the context of JavaScript. How can you manipulate DOM elements using JavaScript? फिर उसके बाद है लास्ट वाला क्वेश्चन, फिर से ये आ गया हमारा, रिपीट हो रहा है ये क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज द फेच API इन JavaScript एंड हाउ इज यूज्ड फॉर मेकिंग HTML requests? So this was all about guess. Hopefully you will get enough marks from this very guess. Thank you.